Part 4 of writing fan brand logos, let's go. First up, these are the fan brand logos that we already rated, so I thought it was time to write Apple's logo. First we have to check the meaning. This was the first Apple logo, and there is where the meaning started. Steve Jobs was on some sort of diet and he only ate apples. So he decided to use the photo where gravity was invented. Apparently gravity wasn't invented before it if you check this list. Okay, but enough with the jokes, let's talk about the logo. Here's the meaning of the bite in the apple, and further, Steve Jobs' diet was the other reason for Apple. This is the evolution of the Apple logo, but we're talking about this logo. It's the newest logo, and as you can see on an iPhone, it looks pretty cool, pretty slick, but it doesn't look that cool on paper. But now, we have to talk more about the logo. Now, first up, looks pretty cool, it's pretty slick, it's perfect, it says Apple. As I'm not an Apple fan, I can't give it a bad rating. The rating is it has a pretty cool logo, so it shares a place with itel, and itel had a pretty cool logo, pretty cool meaning, therefore itel's there.